Hey, don't go nowhere. We're getting ready to have a shrimp and steak stir fry with vegetables and rice. The only seasonings we're using, no, we're not even going to put soy sauce in it. We're just using my AP seasoning I make at home, which consists of garlic, pepper, and onion, and a little sea salt. Okay, now first thing I'm going to do is I'm getting ready to cook this steak. Put a little olive oil down. We're going to lay that steak right on there. Get in there. Let's get a little bit more. Alright. Some of my AB in there, with onion and what have you. We're going to move it around that goodness that's on there. Alright, that is looking pretty good. Sizzling everywhere. All that incorporated there. That's good. Okay. I'm going to put this to the side here. Put just a little oil down. Not a whole lot. We're going to dump this rice in there. And this should come out pretty good. Yeah. Get this all heated up good. Garlic, pepper, and the AP rub there. Now this is going to be some of that larapin. And y'all know what larapin is by now. That means delicious. We'll get that all incorporated in there. Give me a little bit of steam in here a little bit. Get some of that out there. Get it in there. We're going to move this into the side now. I think that is looking good. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this steak. Where's it going? I'm going to put it on my board. Okay. Now we're going to take, and we're going to slice up some of this pieces. We'll get this, another back on here. There. Now we're going to move it back over here. Now it's time for the shrimp to come on, and I think I want this one high, a little bit of olive oil. We're going to set this over to the side. Let's get this shrimp on there. Oh, sizzling, yes it is. Look at that. See, that's going to be good. Now, we're going to have that setting up in there. We're going to put some AP rub on them. Hey, garlic and pepper. And that's going to caramelize a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of oil down here. Not a whole lot. And then we're going to move it around. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Now we're going to put that on there. Trying to hurry up since it's getting dark. Hey, we're going to make it there, you guys. Everything's going to be fine. Get the goodness up off of that. Get it onto that shrimp. It's going to make it really good. That is looking good. Now we're going to look at that a little bit. We're going to take it, get a smidgen of steam. Make sure we don't get down through, and we're going to sprinkle a little more of this AP rub on there. Or AP seasoning, however you want to call it, is dandy and fine with me. Get some of that down there. Now, maybe I should put a little sugar in it so it really caramelizes it, huh? Let's put a little bit of oil around it and run it through it both ways. Oh yeah, looky there. Oh, I can smell that olive oil in there with it, which is really looking good. Now let's see if we can get it to caramelize up a little more. Then we'll start. It's going to really be good. What we're doing here on the oh yeah. Yeah. Now, right over there, and what we're going to do is bring that over, and we're going to move this around, look here, and we're going to bring the steak and everything all in. Now we use a long grain rice. We cook it a few hours before we get ready to use it. We put it in the ice box, let it cool down. And if you notice, when I brought it out and put it on there, it wasn't gummy or anything. It helps dry it out in there. And even through this, we didn't put any soy sauce in it. The only thing I used through all of this, the only seasonings I used was what I call the AP rub or seasoning with garlic, pepper, and onion powders or salts. And man, it just tastes amazing. Just with them, the rice and everything, it just come out really good. Now I keep saying caramelized, you know, where I cooked the steak, and this is where I cooked everything and got that goodness back up into everything that I cooked on the griddle there. It is amazing. Now you can add whatever you want, however you like it. Yeah, it's basically a stir fry. Came out well. I tell you what, it was great. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. And I want to thank each and every one for watching.